Okay, so I've just bought the Ruggedline from Yakima, the sort of backbone equivalent system for my 2015 Isuzu Dmax LSM. I've got the platform A on there at the moment, and I'm just going to do a quick video, just as one install tip which I came across, but the video is mainly about the road noise comparison of not having the Ruggedline and platform versus having it on there. And I'm just doing it quickly because I couldn't find quite a lot when I was searching online between this and the backbone, and it was kind of hard to make a decision. Now Yakima says on their website that they have specifically tested this for road noise, so it'll be interesting to see how it goes. The only variables are, got a couple of deflectors on and on the front. Not sure if they'll do anything, but I've got a 2-inch lift BF Goodrich KO2s, and the only other considerations is that Yakima actually provide this little rubber strip for the front and back, and it also comes factory with this little wind deflector underneath, so we'll see if they actually do anything. I'm just going to sort of get on the highway, sit at about 80 k's for 10 seconds or so, accelerate to 100 k's, sit there for 10 seconds, and you'll be able to hopefully hear on the video the road noise and the difference between them. I'll do both speeds in fifth, so there's a bit less car noise. I'll turn the radio off and stuff. Alright, let's give it a go. Okay, so I've marked the center point on my Isuzu Dmax. From there you measure 295 to the front, 740 to the back, and then you just mark 25mm either side to give you 50mm. In the instructions it says 100mm, 50 each side, but that's not right because the Yakima base feet are only 45mm, so you want a nice snug fit. And then all I had to do was get my little Stanley knife and cut away the bit of plastic that was covering it, and don't have to drill them out because I've got a LSM. And then the next part is putting in some Loctite, a little foam foot, and bolting it down. Now I've put one of those little foam bases in there, just lining up the hole, and it actually comes with some Loctite to put in there as well. It says to put that in liberally, so I'm going to go ahead and do that and mount these and see how we go. Okay, so I've just attached the Locknload brackets, and as I expected, more than enough trim has been taken out with 50mm. I'm probably on the other side going to go even snugger, just to get a really nice fit. I'm going to crank these up, do the other side, and then put the Locknload platform on. I'm not going to bore you with the rest of the install because this video is mainly about the road noise test. So away we go. Okay, so that was the road noise comparison test between no roof rack and the Yakima or Yakima Ruggedline. I'm sure I've said Yakima and Yakima 100 times, but use them interchangeably, who cares. Look, didn't really notice too much of a difference at 80. I actually thought it was really good. Couldn't hear a lot. At 100 k's, you can definitely notice it's there, but I wouldn't say it's loud. Like it's fine. I'm stoked with it. As like I said, about $1,000 from, or 1,100 bucks with the Platform A and the Ruggedline from Ute Mart on the Goldie. And yeah, it uses all the factory mounting points, so super strong, good off-road rating. I don't intend on loading it up too much, but yeah, we'll put an awning on there and a solar panel and stuff to finish the build. Good stuff.